Welcome to the KFC Chicken Mega Factory, where millions of pieces of KFC's famous fried chicken are made every day. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes to discover how this iconic fast food is processed and produced on a massive scale. From fresh chicken to crispy fried perfection, let's dive into the journey of how KFC's fried chicken is created.
The process begins with the delivery of high-quality fresh chicken to the factory. KFC sources chicken from trusted farms, ensuring that each piece meets their strict standards for size, weight, and quality. Once delivered, the chicken is inspected, cleaned, and prepared for the next steps. The chicken is thoroughly washed and inspected to ensure it meets food safety regulations. Each piece is carefully examined for any imperfections, making sure only the best cuts are used. Now we move on to one of KFC's most famous steps, marinating the chicken in their legendary secret recipe. This is where the chicken is infused with that classic blend of 11 herbs and spices, known only to a select few. The marination process helps to lock in the flavors and tenderize the meat. The chicken is carefully seasoned and marinated to ensure that every bite is packed with flavor. This step is critical to achieving KFC's signature taste. After marination, the chicken is ready for breading. KFC uses a unique breading technique that gives their chicken its famous crispy golden texture. Each piece is hand-breaded or machine-breaded, making sure that the coating sticks perfectly to the chicken. Workers skillfully dip the chicken in a batter made from the secret recipe, followed by a flour coating that forms the crispy outer layer. This process ensures the chicken will have that crunchy texture that fans know and love. Next comes the frying stage. The breaded chicken is placed into large industrial fryers where it is cooked at precise temperatures for just the right amount of time. This ensures that the chicken is both juicy and crispy, achieving that perfect golden brown color. These high-tech fryers maintain consistent heat, which is crucial to making sure every piece of chicken is cooked to perfection, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Once the chicken is fried, it undergoes a thorough quality control process. Each batch is checked to ensure that it meets KFC's high standards for taste, texture, and appearance. The fried chicken is then packaged and prepared for delivery to KFC restaurants around the world. The packaging process is fast and efficient, ensuring that the chicken reaches customers fresh and hot. In some cases, the chicken is flash frozen to preserve its quality and shipped to KFC locations globally. Freezing helps to maintain the flavor and texture until it's ready to be served in restaurants. State-of-the-art freezing technology ensures that the chicken retains its freshness and signature taste, whether it's served nearby or on the other side of the world. From farm to factory and finally to your table, the production of KFC's fried chicken is a complex and carefully managed process. Each step, from marinating to frying, plays a vital role in creating the delicious fried chicken that millions of people enjoy every day. So the next time you take a bite of KFC's world-famous fried chicken, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get from the factory to your plate. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the KFC Chicken Mega Factory, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more food production videos, and let us know in the comments which fast food item you'd like to see next.